Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Stone Age Fuel Culture of Care. They're looking for entry-level social media. It pays up to $40 per hour. About us: insights for the digital marketing needs of business owners. Joseph Gonzalez leads High Digital Greenville SC with an entrepreneurial background and deep insight into the needs of business owners. He started walking down the road of digital marketing in 2014 when he began taking courses in SEO, web design, etc. to optimize the online presence of his own businesses. Before long, Joseph became a fully self-taught expert in the world of digital marketing and realized he could serve the marketing needs of other entrepreneurs and business owners like him. Hyde empowers people to reach their goals. We recognize that every person has a unique purpose, and that if every person fulfills that purpose, they, their community, and the world will be better for it. We practice our mission through our 3 pillars. Join our family equals focus on family. Family includes not only our team, but their family as well. We support our team members and their family however we can, emotionally, physically, or financially. Equals deliver excellence. As a team, we ensure processes and procedures are efficient and functional for the best possible results. We keep our standards high to serve our clients as best we can. Equals grow people. As a company, we hire individuals who focus on our team's mental, professional development. We seek out new opportunities for self-development and individual learning. We're looking for a self-starter to fill an entry-level position in our social media department. We're seeking candidates who are responsible, enthusiastic, and like to work in a team environment. A successful candidate should be creative and active on social media, enjoy learning about new technologies, and be willing to take on a wide variety of tasks. Responsibilities: review and respond to messages from clients. Review company policies and procedures when questions arise. Send outgoing messages to clients regarding company policies and procedures. Conduct research into how the company is positioned in the marketplace. Update the company's social media presence when necessary. Job type: contract. Pay $16.25 to $19.39 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule. Self-determined schedule. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.